marketer, earning money is simpler than you may imagine. With the appropriate methods and tactics in place, you might quickly realize a profit on your investment. In this video, we will discuss Make Money with Affiliate Marketing 2023. The video will be amazing, so stick to the end. Before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 1. Establish a YouTube channel or website with lots of content. In May 2022, there were about 89 billion visitors to Google.com. Among these, 89% of users claim to have used a search engine as their first point of contact. This information makes it very clear that having a website or YouTube channel where you can provide your audience with high-quality material is a requirement if you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer. You should provide educational, engaging, and pertinent material to the goods or services you wish to market as an affiliate. Also, it needs to be search engine optimized so that people looking for information about your subject may quickly find it. A combination of educational and promotional content must be produced if you want your content to be effective. Because a recent Google update makes it more challenging to rank a commercial site if it does not also provide valuable content. The second largest website in the world, though, is YouTube, which has more than 2.6 billion visitors who log on each month. Videos are great for attracting new clients and advertising affiliate goods and services. Most people prefer viewing videos to reading lengthy blog posts because they take up less time and are simpler to consume. Because it's free to use and has an extensive user base, YouTube is a great place to host your videos. Also, as Google owns it, your films will be listed in Google search results, making it more straightforward for people to locate them. Number 2. Joining a network of affiliates. This process is straightforward. All you have to do is locate a reputable affiliate network that offers goods or services in your niche. For instance, you can sign up for an affiliate program like ClickBank or Amazon Associates if you advertise health and fitness products. However, you can join an affiliate network like Rakuten or Avengate to market B2B goods or services. Number 3. Understand how affiliate programs operate. Your aim for how much money you want to generate from affiliate marketing is influenced by this phase, because it will be simpler for you to obtain your goal income as you understand how affiliate programs operate. An agreement between a merchant, i.e. the business that offers a good or service, and an affiliate is known as an affiliate program. As compensation for promoting the merchant's goods or services, the affiliate agrees to receive a cut of every sale they bring in. The operation of an affiliate program is described as follows. Get a commission on the good or service you recommend at the first tier. 2-tier. Besides getting paid for the goods or services you advertise, you also get paid for the sales made by affiliates you've attracted to the scheme. Pay per lead. Get a commission each time a lead you send takes action, such as completing a form or signing up for a free trial. Get a commission each time a recommended customer makes a purchase as long as they continue to be a paying customer with recurring commissions. Affiliate programs with recurring commissions are available from Semrush, CJ, and Aweber. Site-wide commissions. You are compensated for any goods and services that customers you have referred buy from the merchant, not just the ones they purchase on their initial visit. An illustration of a site-wide commission program is Amazon's affiliate program. Increasing tiers. The commission rate increases as you make more sales. Individual affiliate programs. Instead of using an affiliate network, you can sign up directly for a merchant's affiliate program. Number 4. Use Google to drive targeted traffic. Getting targeted traffic from the appropriate sources is essential for affiliate marketing success. Google is the best source available. With over 3.5 billion daily queries, Google is the most popular search engine in the world. If your website appears high in Google search results, you will receive much highly targeted traffic. The most straightforward strategy to rank highly on Google is to provide content focused on popular search terms. Number 5. Only market items that pay high affiliate commissions and are desired by customers. While attempting to earn money with affiliate marketing, avoid the blunders most marketers make. They advertise many goods in the hopes of snagging a few sporadic sales. But the truth is that they make nothing or very little money because they promote untested products. Finding things people are actively looking for and are profitable is the most excellent approach to succeed at affiliate marketing. You can use Google's Keyword Planner tool to find such products. You may research keywords and get traffic projections with this free tool. Number 6. Monitoring outcomes and campaign optimization for higher conversion rates. How can you tell whether your affiliate marketing efforts are practical? There is an easy solution. You must monitor your progress and tweak your campaigns for higher conversion rates. There are various methods for monitoring results. However, using Google Analytics is the best option. You can monitor your website's traffic and conversion rates using this free application. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon with another video. For more information, subscribe and watch other videos from our channel.